Hi guys, Arjun, I'm back. Yeah, well, I just uploaded a stickbot video, and if you want to see again, these are my puppies. Carmel. Hey, don't sniff the camera. And Teddy. I just love these little sweeties, and yeah. I'm starting school tomorrow, so that should be fun. So, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as often. Say hi. Okay. What is this? What is this? It's a camera. So yeah. I have an idea. Yeah. So, wait. That should be good. And hope you guys are having a good summer. Comment below on your ideas of what I should do. I'm thinking about doing a rubber band, like putting rubber bands around a watermelon till it explodes. That would be cool. Anyway, tell me your ideas and have a good rest of your month. I don't know. Have a good school year. Yeah. Bye.